Hi there, today, we're diving into the world of natural and homemade remedies for your fur babies. We understand the importance of keeping your pets healthy and happy, so we've put together a step-by-step guide featuring 5 easy remedies you can try at home. Let's jump right in. Remedy 1. Coconut Oil Paw Balm for Dry Paws. Step 1. Gather your supplies. 1. Organic, virgin coconut oil. 2. Small container or tin. Step 2. Melt and mix. 1. In a microwave-safe bowl, gently melt a small amount of coconut oil until it becomes liquid. 2. Stir to ensure an even consistency. Step 3. Application. 1. Allow the melted coconut oil to cool slightly. 2. Dip your pet's paws into the melted oil or use your fingers to apply a thin layer on their paw pads. 3. Allow the balm to absorb for a few minutes before letting your pet walk around. Remedy 2. Chamomile tea soothing rinse for skin irritation. Step 1. Brew chamomile tea. Brew a cup of chamomile tea using a tea bag or loose chamomile flowers. 2. Let the tea cool down to room temperature. Step 2. Gently rinse. 1. Pour the chamomile tea into a bowl. 2. Use a soft cloth or sponge to soak up the tea and gently dab it onto your pet's irritated skin. Remedy 3. DIY Flea Repellent Spray. Step 1. Gather your supplies. 1. Distilled water. 2. Apple cider vinegar. 3. Lavender essential oil. Step 2. Mix the spray. 1. In a spray bottle, combine equal parts distilled water and apple cider vinegar. 2. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Step 3. Apply the spray. 1. Shake the bottle to mix the ingredients. 2. Lightly mist your pet's coat, avoiding the eyes and ears, before outdoor activities. Remedy 4. Homemade breath freshener treats. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. 1. Fresh mint leaves, finely chopped. 2. Plain yogurt. 3. Small silicone molds. Step 2. Mix and mold. 1. Mix chopped mint leaves into plain yogurt. 2. Spoon the mixture into silicone molds, creating bite-sized treats. Step 3. Freeze and serve. 1. Place the molds in the freezer until the treats are firm. 2. Offer these homemade breath freshener treats to your pet after meals. Remedy 5. Banana and peanut butter frozen popsicles. Step 1. Gather your supplies. 1. Ripe banana. 2. Natural peanut butter, without xylitol. 3. Ice cube tray or silicone mold. Step 2. Mash and mix. 1. Mash the ripe banana in a bowl. 2. Mix in a small amount of natural peanut butter. Step 3. Freeze the popsicles. 1. Spoon the mixture into ice cube trays or silicone molds. 2. Place in the freezer until the popsicles are solid. And there you have it, 5 simple and natural remedies to address common pet concerns using ingredients you probably already have at home. Remember, while these remedies are generally safe, it's essential to pay attention to your pet's reactions and consult a veterinarian if needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep pampering your furry pals with love and care.